Hey friends, if you encounter HP Smart Error printer status unknown on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult to resolve this. Here's what you have to do. First of all, you need to make sure that your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi and you need to print a page from another device, let's say using your phone, just to test the printer status, because otherwise it does not work. And after that, the next solution is to wait. If this doesn't help either, then the next solution will be to right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. And then the last solution will be to update the printer driver. So search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for printers, right click on the printer driver and select update driver and make sure to update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.